true master of skill right here, Nick.
We just put up this video. We actually recorded this video a long time ago, but problem with that is we forgot to upload it. So, and then we realized we had no footage for said video, letting you guys even know what's going on. So, before we get this video started, this video takes place in Missouri/Michigan. The back is from Michigan before we went home last weekend. The time-lapse footage, though, is from the Ozarks in Missouri, southern Missouri on US 23, I believe. Don't hold me to that. We went through there one other time, probably like a month and a half ago, but it was nighttime. So we didn't even get to see everything that we saw. So we figured, you know, now as good as time as any, let's go get the drone. Let's make a time lapse of this whole. We didn't even record the beginning half of it. It is a lot of sharp turns. The time lapse footage doesn't really do it justice. It makes it look like it's quicker than what it really is, but like I was taking these corners at like 5 miles an hour. A lot of sharp corners, and it's like just 30 miles of just some of the most beautiful country. I cannot wait to come through here in the summer. We went through this part on our way down to Oklahoma. We didn't go the way we did. We were going south instead of north. That's basically the time-lapse footage that you guys get today. The back at the end of this video, we put this in there because this was one of my hardest backs that I've ever done driving a semi-truck. Through that door, we nailed it, folks. Or did we? Stay tuned to the end of the video and you'll get to see the greatest back the Phoenix ever pulled off. That being said, cue the damn intro.
lost myself in finding my way. I feel it creeping in. Patience is wearing thin. If I could help myself, I would. But there's a part of me that longs, that belongs to the road and begs me to run away from the world, to leave it all behind, to strip it away and see what's on the inside. So I'm facing my fears and taking my time to strip it away and see what's on the inside. I've always tried to be what you needed from me. Along the way, forgot who I am. I'm sorry for getting cold and for pushing you away. It just feels like I'm falling and nobody's there. But there's a part of me that longs, that belongs to the road and begs me to run away from the world, to leave it all behind, to strip
wall over there is pretty tight too, so. True master of skill right here, Nick. True master of skill.
Check and see where we are on that pole. As we get out and look, that's pretty tight actually.
We're actually doing pretty good there.
We actually need to start bringing this truck around.
There's more room on that side than I thought.
The problem is,
We're 79.7 and
it's gonna hit the door. Raising the door, folks. Pull up, readjust.
this is a really tight place. I know I probably have all kinds of room on that other side. We're in the door. Pull up. And now we get the fun part. We're trying to blindsidely see on what's going on here. All the way back. As you see, not much room out front at all. We're literally blinding it in here. The reflection in the mirror is not the greatest. By far the tightest dock I have seen to this 6 months of date. I think we were gonna one-shot it, folks. If not pretty freaking close. I think we one-shot this, folks. I think we just one-shotted this dock. Let's go find out.
So once again, Phoenix is, too close to the dock. So we gotta pull up. We will show you guys here in a minute what we accomplished We just one shot at this dock, folks. Tight dock, guys. By far my most impressive bag I've yet to do to this day. One shot on the dock. That's how we roll, folks. I don't know about you guys, but I think this has been a wrap on this video. I don't know what we're gonna put in it, but I don't care. You can just make that its own video. That is how you back a semi, folks. Practice makes perfect. Peace out, folks.